In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make motivational quotes videos in Canva. First, open Canva and click Create, then use the search bar to look for Motivational Video. This brings up pre-designed layout size for social platforms, so you don't have to guess dimensions. Pick the format that matches where you'll post. 1080 by 1080 pixels is ideal for Instagram, while 1920 by 1080 suits YouTube or any widescreen feed. Once you spot a style you like, click the template to load it onto your canvas. Click the text box on the design and type or paste your quote. Use the top toolbar or the property panel to adjust the font, size, color, and position. Aim for strong contrast so the words stay readable over motion. Bold or condensed fonts can add impact, and thoughtful line breaks help the quote scan smoothly. Keep an eye on balance as you position the text. Centering or aligning with consistent margins makes the layout feel intentional and polished. For the backdrop, head to the Videos tab and search for visuals that match your message. Terms like beach, nature, or sunset work well. Choose footage with gentle movements. Lower scenes enhance legibility and keep the mood calm and focused. If you prefer a clean, minimalist look, try a static image or even a solid color background to let the typography carry the emotion. Now bring it to life. Select the text box, or any element like a shape or sticker, and click Animate. Explore the preset options for quick, professional motion, or choose Create an animation to draw a custom path so elements move exactly how you envision. Keep the motion purposeful. Subtle fades, slight slides, or a slow rise often feel more sophisticated than flashy effects and help the message land. Add sound to tie it together. Go to the Audio tab and search for background music that fits your tone. Uplifting, ambient, or cinematic tracks are great choices. For extra energy and cohesion, use the Beat Sync tool to automatically align visual changes with the music's rhythm. Preview a few options and listen for a track that supports the message without overpowering it. When everything looks and sounds right, click Share in the top right, select Download, and choose MP4 video. MP4 is widely compatible and perfect for posting across social media or embedding on your website. And that's it. Your motivational quotes video is ready to inspire your audience. Thanks for watching.